Is your iPhone not receiving text messages? If you're missing messages and not sure why, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue and start getting those texts again. Let's jump into the solutions. Before you follow anything, make sure to turn off airplane mode, turn off do not disturb, turn off low power mode, turn off silent mode. Now back to advanced troubleshooting. Solution 1, check messages settings. Open settings, scroll down, tap app, scroll down, find and tap messages app. Ensure iMessages is turned on. Tap send and receive. Make sure your phone number and email address are selected under you can be reached by iMessage at. Make sure to active this with your phone number of your Apple ID. Scroll down. Also enable send as message option from here. Solution 2, sync your message on iPhone. Open setting, tap Apple ID, scroll down, tap iCloud, scroll down, tap see all, find out your message app, tap the message in iCloud. Now turn it on. After that, look at the bottom. Tap sync now. Solution 3, delete old message on iPhone. Open iMessage, tap 3 dot, tap select message, select unnecessary message, tap deletes, tap delete again. After that, restart your iPhone and see what happens. Solution 4, reset network settings. Open settings, scroll down, and tap general. Tap transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset, then select reset network settings. Confirm by tapping reset network settings again. Note, this will remove your saved Wi-Fi passwords. That's how you can fix the issue of your iPhone not receiving text messages. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.